Hi everyone, we welcome you all. Dolphins are big giant water animals and they are found in the water, in the sea water, or we can say in some oceans. Let's give it a try. This one is very easy. Dragonflies are very attractive and fascinating to the kids. So today we are going to trace down one of the dragonfly. For this you have to make circle, then you have to make the wings and see how easy it is. Carefully have a look. First you have to draw the circle, after that you have to make the eyes and don't forget to draw the antennae. Then you have to draw somewhat the radish shape and then the stripes in between. And guess what, we are trying to trace it down. Fill the stripes with the black marker. Yes, we are trying to trace down a big fat honey bee and see its legs are so attractive. You can use any of the color to fill it with. It's time to trace down a fish. For this you have to pause the video and follow the steps. Don't forget to trace down the scales around the fins and the body. From the number 6 we are going to trace down the snake. Just follow the trick as shown on your screens. Don't forget to make the tongue and the spots of the snake as apparent on your video. From the number 3 we are tracing down full-fledged monkey in just few easy and simple steps. This looks so nice. Thank you.